Hi kiddos, happy Wednesday. This is now the 5th video I've tried to do for this. I love technology. I can't wait to see you guys again so we can do stuff on paper. So, today you're going to be taking what we've been reviewing, mean, median, and mode, data, graphs, to create your own. Sorry for my washer. So you're going to start here on this website, and it asks you to read through. This is just giving you information about relative frequency, what you're practicing today to create your tables and percentage. So you're going to read through, that's all it's asking you to do there. Then answer a quick bell work question. Remember, anytime you see something that's blue and underlined, it's a hyperlink. So it's either a website like this or it's an assignment. So I would click that assignment and it would open up my bell work for the day. Next, you're going to open up this website. And it gives you practice for relative frequency, and it asks you to create your own. So it says that 12 people liked pop music, 11 people liked dance, 20 people liked hip hop, and 15 people liked something else. So then it gives you the total and your frequency here on how many times. Now to find the relative frequency, after you read this page, you'll see that to divide 12 by 94, you would get 0.128. And then to make that a percent, you would just move that decimal point over. So I would practice a couple of these, and it's online, so all you're doing is writing the frequency, and it gives you the relative frequency. Now here's the part where you try it, because right here it says submit answers that you tried. So after you come here, you're going to scroll down where it says U2, and you're going to click and do 10 of these questions. I want 8 of the answers because we're going to do 2 of them together. So I want to see 8 of the answers that we don't do. So once you click question 1, it'll open up to this question, first question. So 30 students in the class did a survey of their favorite movie series and recorded the results as follows. So we have 10 people liked Twilight, 6 people liked Harry Potter, that's where I would be, 2 people liked Narnia, 9 people liked High School Musical, and 3 people liked Pirates of the Caribbean. So now to find the relative frequency, we're going to figure out our total, and I already added it up, and I got 30, it gives us this right too, but you always want to check. So 30 students total. Now we're going to take our High School Musical number of 9 and divide it. So I'm going to come over here to your paper that you have in front of you, so you should be doing this with me. So I'm going to make sure I have a pencil. I'm going to go 9 divided by 30. So 30 cannot go into 9, so we need to add in a 0 and a decimal place. Now 30 can go into 90 3 times. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 3 is 9. So then that's our answer, 0.3. So go back here. And our answer is 0.3, so I'm going to click that. Now to change that to a percent, it says, well done, we did great. So to change that to a percent, all I would do is, if it was asking, I would move that decimal place over. So then 0.3 would be 30%. So it gives us our relative frequency and our percent right there. Let's do one more together. A die was thrown 60 times with the following results. So it landed on a 1, 8 times, 2, 11, and so forth. What is the relative frequency for a score of 6? So there were 12 out of 60 times landed on a 6. So I'm going to come here and make a new page. You have paper in front of you. And I'm going to go 12 divided by 60. 60 cannot go into 12, so I'm going to add my decimal point and my 0. Now 60 can go into 120 2 times. 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 6 is 12, and we have 0. So there's our answer. Now if it asks for percent, 0.2, bring that decimal over, so I have 20%. So I'm going to come over here and click my answer, 0.2. There we go. That's right, and there's our score. How awesome is that? So After you keep going, you have 8 problems left. I want you to add that to where it says Wednesday try it. You're going to click that for me. And it's submitting your answers. So you'll click here, submit. If you did it on paper, put a picture of it. So you'll do choose file, put a picture of it for me. Or you can write it here in the text entry. I got these answers, however you want to put it. Number 3, because that's where you're starting, was this. Number 4 was this. And I'll check it that way, however you want to do it, okay, guys? If you want to make a video, here's a way you can make a video. Record yourself and upload it that way. You can also do it on your Google Drive if you have some questions. It's working not working for me right now, but it should work for you. So however you want to upload it, just send in your answers however that way. So submit that answer. After that, I want to make sure you don't forget this. Don't forget your exit ticket. It's a quick question. This is what you're doing, interpreting the data. So I want you to read this question and answer it. And I put it in a kind of quiz format for you, or a discussion format. So then you would click reply, write your answer that you chose, and I asked you to explain it. So make sure you don't forget to explain why you picked that answer. And then post reply for me, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Have a happy Wednesday.